What's up, YouTubers, and welcome back. In this video we're going to be building the abs. It's not really a crazy build. There's only a couple pieces we gotta put together, and yeah, this should be an easy one. So as always, if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up and then go subscribe. And yeah, let's get to it. So here I have all the pages I printed out, and I named each piece by the page number they're in. Also, for these pieces I actually put A, B, C, and D just so that I know which piece goes where. If you have any questions about this, just look on your Peppercare Designer just to see where those pieces go. After we label everything, you can just start cutting and we can start tracing on our phone. For this piece from page number 7, I'm going to trace it and then I'm going to flip it over and trace it right next to it. That way, instead of having two pieces that I have to glue together, I only have one piece. And I'm going to do the same thing for the other piece from page number 7. There's also this piece from page number 5 that I'm going to do the same thing to. Instead of having two pieces that I have to glue together, I'm only going to have one whole piece. After that, just start tracing the rest of the pieces and make sure you label all of those pieces. For these pieces from page number 1, I'm going to trace them all together. That way I don't have 4 pieces that I have to glue together, I only have one whole piece. Okay, so we're going to start with the middle piece of the abs, and we're going to grab these pieces from page number 5, number 6, and number 7. So now I'm just going to go over these pieces with the heat gun, that way I can give them a curved shape. So now we can start gluing these pieces together, so I'm going to start applying glue to all of these pieces. So now I'm going to grab this piece from page number 1 and I'm going to score these lines just a little bit, that way I can go over with the heat gun and I can open them up. Up next, I'm going to grab these pieces, also from page number 1, and these pieces are going to glue on to the sides. So now that I have glue on all these pieces, I'm going to start putting them together. And remember, if you don't know which piece goes where, you can always go to Peppercare Designer, just so that you can have references. Okay, so now that that is done, I'm going to start putting it on the side. I already created the one for the opposite side, that way I can put both of those pieces together. So now we're going to grab these pieces from page number 2, 3, and 4, and these pieces are going to go right on top of each other, but they're going to be inserted in these spots. So now that everything is glued on together, I'm going to go over it with the heat gun and then I'm going to start bending it so I can give it a curved shape. So for the next part, we're going to glue that side piece on top of that middle piece. And we're going to line it up straight and give it some space in the bottom. An easy way to do this is just tracing it, that way you know exactly where to put it. For the middle part, I'm just going to grab pieces of scrap foam and I'm going to glue them behind him. So once you're done with everything, you should end up with something like this. Well, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. And if you want to keep up with this Iron Man build, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'll be posting a lot of cool stuff later on. See you guys in the next video.